Are you feeling tired, drained, and struggling with low energy levels? You are not alone. Fatigue can be a common symptom of anemia, a condition characterized by a lack of healthy red blood cells. But don't worry, we've got just a solution for you. In today's video, I will show you how to boost your energy naturally and fight anemia with a powerful juice recipe. This delicious concoction is packed with nutrients that can help increase your iron levels and beat fatigue. Let's dive right in. To make this energy boosting juice, you will need a handful of fresh spinach, a beetroot, an orange, a carrot, and a slice of lemon. Start by adding the spinach, beetroot, carrot, and orange into a juicer. Give it a good whirl until you have a vibrant, nutrient-rich juice. Look at this beautiful color. This juice is not only delicious but also a powerhouse of nutrients. The spinach provides a rich source of iron, while the beetroot adds natural sweetness and boosts blood circulation. The orange and carrot bring in a dose of vitamin C, enhancing iron absorption. And the lemon adds a refreshing zinc. By regularly incorporating this juice into your routine, you'll be giving your body a natural energy boost and providing it with essential vitamins and minerals. Say goodbye to fatigue and hello to a revitalized you. Now, let's talk about the incredible health benefits of this powerful juice. The combination of iron-rich spinach and beetroot helps combat anemia by increasing your body's iron stores. Iron plays a vital role in the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your tissues, keeping you energized and focused. Remember, the key to reaping the benefit of this powerful juice is consistency. Incorporate it into your daily routine for maximum impact. Don't forget to subscribe to our Natural Healing Guide YouTube channel and click the notification icon to be notified of more health videos like this. We share valuable tips, recipes, and natural remedies to help you live a healthier, more vibrant life. So if you're tired of feeling fatigued and want to fight anemia naturally, give this powerful juice a try. Your body will thank you. Cheers to a healthier, more energized you.